হেড মাস্টারের পরীক্ষায় বসবেন, আর কোনো চিন্তা নয়, সাথে থাকুন আমার চ্যানেলে।
The next part from part 1, Taboti book, section C, 5 issues related to the state level. Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar. Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar, 26th September 1820, 29th July 1891, was an Indian educator and social reformer of the 19th century. He is considered as the father of Bengali prose. What was the contribution of Vidyasagar in the field of education? Between 1851 and 1855, Vidyasagar, along with other reformers, opened many schools for women across Bengal. He used his own income to open 35 schools and was able to enroll 1,300 students. Vidyasagar is known as the father of Bengali prose and is credited with simplifying the Bengali alphabet. Next, what was the great contribution of Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar? The greatest contribution of Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar can be for this fervent push for the introduction of widow marriage, remarriage, and girls' education in Indian society. So, fervent means akul ichha, for the introduction of widow remarriage and girls' education in Indian society. It is due to his effort that the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act of 1856 was enacted, that is performed. The idea of Vidyasagar who believed in education was that the education of Indians would be sufficient knowledge regarding Sanskrit and English, which enriched our mother language by the Western civilization and science. According to Vidyasagar, mother language will be only medium of instruction. Teacher can easily present complex content through mother language. Vidyasagar supported moral education. He always gave importance in the moral development of his students. Many of his literature reflect the moral of education. For the Alankara class, he wanted to add reading of essays on ethics. For Smriti class, Vidyasagar kept Mano Sanghita as curriculum, and about if he wrote iterates of social, moral, religious, and economic laws. Vidyasagar was a great has a great contribution in primary education. Till the time of Vidyasagar, primary education didn't get any importance by the British government. To improve this level of Patsala's educations, he suggested the creation of model schools which would be regularly inspected. So, establishment of Teachers Training School in 1866. The Bengal government had written to the committee of the Bethune schools to acquaint its members with the interest taken by the authorities in the opening of a normal class of people teachers. In connection with the Bethune school, Vidyasagar realized the importance of teacher training. For this, he requested to the government to establish teachers training schools where teachers could develop their teaching skills. But the British government was unwilling to help financial support for the schools. By his initiation, a normal school was established on 17th July 1850. After that, in 1855, a normal school was established where 6 teachers will be trained in two installments. One of the Vidyasagar's most notable achievement in the context of 19th century women's progress in the promotion of women's education in Bengali. Education would bring dignity for women into society. Vidyasagar and Bethun School. In 1949, Mr. Bethun established a free school for girls' education with the help of some Bengali leaders. After that, it was known by Bethun School, helps in the establishment of girls' education, formation of Nari Shiksha Bhanda. Vidyasagar hoped that he will get financial aid from Indian government of these schools. Government of India has informed that government cannot afford any permanent money for Vidyasagar's girls' school. Then Vidyasagar formed the Nari Shiksha Bhanda to solve the financial problems of the schools. To maintain a healthy administration system, schools with a study circle system and inspection system for schools. For inspection, it decided to restrict will be under one inspector metropolitan institution. He played the major part in the foundation, the management and the development of the institution. Later it was known as Vidyasagar College. Metropolitan Institution, later known as Vidyasagar College. Books written and compiled by Vidyasagar. Many books in Sanskrit and Hindi to Bengali like Vasudeva Charit, Betal Panchvingsati, Bangla Ritiyas, Jibon Chorit, Bodhodaya, Sanskrit, Vyakarana, Upakramanika, Vyakaran Kumudi, Sakuntala, Kathamala, Brantivilas, and Varno Parichay, etc. All were his written and compiled.